In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a hosting or domain. Whether you're looking to consolidate your digital assets or simply make changes to your online presence, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step. First, let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. This is your home base for managing all your subscriptions and domains. If you're new to the Hostinger user interface or need a refresher, you'll find that it's relatively intuitive. On the top right corner, you'll see an area to enter your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the hosting dashboard. Next, navigate to the Domains section of your account. This section typically houses a list of all the domains you've registered with Hostinger. Take your time to locate this. You should easily find it because everything is distinctly labeled, helping you quickly access your domain portfolio. Once you're in your list of domains, go ahead and find the specific domain you wish to cancel. If you have multiple domains, take an extra moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Accuracy here is key to avoid mistakenly canceling a domain you might want to retain. It's a good practice to double-check the domain name and expiration date to confirm it's the one you intend to let go. After you've identified the domain, look for the option labeled Manage or similar. Different web hosting interfaces might use slightly varied terminology, so it's always good to review all available options if something seems unclear. Click on this option, and you'll gain access to all the management tools associated with that domain. In this management area, you'll specifically look for an option indicating Cancel Domain or Remove Domain. Here you will sometimes find a drop-down or a tab where these options reside. Once you've found it, click the option to proceed with the cancellation process. You will likely encounter a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to remove the domain. This step is crucial to prevent accidental cancellations. Read the prompt carefully and confirm if you're sure about canceling. It's always better to be certain and deliberate over each step, ensuring you aren't rushing through and missing important details. Once you've confirmed your choice, Hostinger will remove the domain from your account. Be aware that depending on your subscription details, there might be some waiting period until the cancellation fully takes effect. You might also receive a confirmation email, so do keep an eye on your inbox for any such notifications. And that's it, your domain has been successfully cancelled. Remember, managing domains is an essential part of web hosting, and knowing how to maneuver through this process can save you time and effort in the long run. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.